Here I have BLACKVIEW A70, and today I'm going to show you how to set up gesture navigation system on this device. So in case if you have these 3 buttons navigation system and you really want to change it to gestures but have no idea how you can do it, then watch. Firstly, you have to open settings. Then you have to go to the gestures and keys section, virtual keys and full screen, and select gesture navigation. And now you can navigate through your system without these 3 buttons, but with these simple, intuitive gestures. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.